we go. It's going.
Hello, welcome to Rottenocker City. We're gonna be putting this diesel stack in my gasser.
Attempting to, anyways.
We're gonna do it. We've already ruined the stack, so that's good.
We're gonna try our best, though.
We're not experienced.
Well, here we are. Mechanic Coochie's gonna drill a hole up through the bed. I don't know.
Snapped up drill bit.
We're doing our best. We're minus Mr. Cable, man, so
How can we do anything without Caleb?
yeah. He's the real MVP. This takes two people to do, so we're rookies.
And then I noticed when I put this on, bent that, and
Yeah.
this is crooked. This is going that way. Where's that hole at? Right there? No. Screw! Dude, that's probably the only spot I can put it. Should I do it? Make it look beat?
You do you, buddy. It ain't my truck.
You think it'd look real beat if I did that?
I think the Cummins is unique, so why not just make it more unique, right? What do you guys think? They said do it.
Okay.
Huh?
Thing I've ever done in my entire life.
I don't know about all that.
That's kind of beater. It's just gonna be like.
Remember the 6'5"?
Alright, I'm doing it.
You really got some cool stuff, though. Even in here.
What are you showing in my closet?
Yeah. Just showing them how unique all this is.
Hey, that's a big subwoofer.
Yeah. I can't wait for Gary and Craig to see this. What the hell, man?
What is this?
You idiots.
Where's your gas tank?
Over there.
Right next to it?
No, it's like over.
Yeah, don't hope you got no leaks.
No, I don't.
Yep, not much. But you're trying your best.
Saw it managed, right?
So, I mean, let's be honest. The only two people cooler than Caleb. Gary and Craig.
Damn it.
Gary and Craig. So aren't you getting like a new car soon or something?
Ryan's.
Yeah.
Feel I was looking good.
How far, you know?
Not.
Get her?
Oh yeah. Hey, that might not look so bad. It's got kind of a gap, but.
That was bigger. Not released.
Broke.
Did you get it off?
He broke something else now.
No.
No, look.
Oh.
What the hell? Oh.
You got notches there. Notches.
Need a tip?
Let's put it
that on your truck?
Yeah, let's put it on your truck.
Yeah.
Hope I don't shatter my back right now.
Yeah, that was kind of suck.
For now.
We're somewhat good.
Let's.
Yeah. Good enough for the Cummins. Good enough.
on my ex say I just catch a check, eh? I do what I want, cause I came in myself. Did this on my own and ain't nobody help. But by now, you're probably with somebody in a nice house.